Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get dark mode on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you want to get or enable dark mode for your TikTok app, so let's see how we can do that. Very first, I recommend you have to check for updates for your TikTok app. After updating, open your TikTok app here, then tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner, then tap on shares and lines in the top right corner here, and from here select settings and privacy. And scroll down, look for a display option, select that, and from here you can easily select your light or dark mode. So I'm going to enable the dark mode from here. So in this way you can easily enable dark mode. If you want to use your TikTok for your device settings, so for example, if you have enabled dark mode in your profile, your TikTok will be automatically switched to dark mode. So open display settings again. Here you'll get the option of use device settings. Just enable that option. Once I've enabled, you can see that my phone is on light mode. So there's light mode in my TikTok app also. Now I'm going to switch it to my dark mode. Just scroll down, look for the display and brightness option here. Just select that, then select dark mode from here. Once you have selected dark mode for your iPhone or for your device, it will be automatically switched into your TikTok. So in this way, you can easily get dark mode on TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.